Okay, this is on the bell job. Install on 729, number 53153. It's an AC add only, but it's a downflow. So the deck just as it shows, but we're going to take this existing base out, and I'm going to make a new 6-inch tall base with the same footprint as this, but it'll just transition to our new coil. So we'll have the base, new coil. So you're just going to raise the furnace up and set it on top of the new coil. We're going to reuse this filter box, and you're going to remove this piece and this piece and just have one transition from the filter box to this existing canvas. So you have a cut line here, which I write down right now so I don't forget. There. Okay, so combustion air is okay. Our vent furnace is going to be in the exact same spot, only it's going to raise up 17 inches. So I'll give you a couple couplings, and I'll give you a few parts and 5 feet of pipe just in case. But should be able to just cut it and raise it up and coupling it. Anyway, power, just shorten the power. The drain, just I'll give you a overflow safety switch, and the other one just drain to the pump. Okay, the thermostat, we're going to reuse the existing thermostat, but this only has 2 wires to it. So you will need to pull a new wire to the thermostat. Okay. So we're in the garage right now. So there's the garage door. Come through the garage. There's a furnace room on the other side of this door. There's an outside back door right here to give you point of reference. So our line set, we're going to come out, we're going to come up and go through here. On the other side of this wall is a outside storage room. I'll show you that in a minute. But we're going to go through there with our line set, and I'll show you in a minute. Out there. Our power, we've got this breaker panel right here, and right outside this door we have an outdoor breaker panel with the meter. This is the old Pushmatic style, and so either way we're going to have to do a couple taps on it, whether or not we come from this panel or the outdoor panel. It's the same amount of material, so I'll leave that up to the electrician what he wants to do. But if we do come through this panel, we can just go through the back to a disconnect. Let me show you the outdoor where the AC is going to go. So here's the thermostat. It is heat cool, so all good there. Just pull a new wire. Let's go outside. Okay, so here's the door you saw from the garage area, and here's a storage room next to it. Okay, so It's full of junk right now, but your line set, just poke through and get to this east side and run down the east side. So you can see there's hardly any room here, just enough for a line set. And our condenser will sit on this pad right here, right there. So this hole here, when you drill your hole, I would try to drill it at kind of an angle. I mean, yeah. I guess you could drill it straight. You'd be right on the edge, I think. It's up to you. If it were me, I'd probably try to drill it at a little bit of an angle, and because you know there's going to be the beams going next to the door, you know, the framing, the studs and stuff. So I'd try to go at a little bit of an angle and try to meet that on the other side. But that's up to you. Okay, so here's the outside disconnect. It's also a Pushmatic breaker. So I'll give you 3 couple taps. And, you know, this may be easier to come out for him. Just come out and put a disconnect right here with a 20 amp breaker in it. And then just poke out the back and run your wire on the inside up over the door and then down and out with the line set. That's what I would probably do. Okay. And let's see. I believe that's it.